Hello viewers. Welcome to IT Tecture. Are you facing problem in installing Turbo C++ or Developer C++? So in this video, I am going to show you how to download and install two IDEs of C and C++. So let's start. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Turbo C++. Here, you will see a link from developerinsider.co. Click on this link. Then click on Download. In a new tab, the downloading will be started. When the software is completely downloaded, go to the folder where software is downloaded. Right-click on this file, and press Extract here. Open this folder, and double-click on setup.exe. Click on Next, select I accept and again press Next. And finally click on Install. And the installation is started. When the software is installed, uncheck this option and click on Finish. Now you can delete this folder. Go to your Start menu and search for Turbo. And click on this icon. Now our Turbo C++ is successfully installed and opened. Click on Start Turbo C++. Here, you can code what you want using C and C++ language. I am going to close Turbo C++. And next we have to install Developer C++. Again, go to your web browser and search for devcpp. Here, you will see a link from sourceforge.net. Click on this link, and then click on Download. And the downloading will be started in 5 seconds. I have already downloaded. Go to the folder where you have downloaded Developer C++. Double-click on this. When unpacking data is completed, select the language and click on OK. And then click on I agree, click on Next, and finally click on Install and the installation will be started. When the installation is completed, uncheck this option and click Finish. Now go to your Start menu and search for Dev C++. Click on this icon. Select the language and press Next, again press Next, then click on OK. Now your developer C++ is successfully installed and opened. You can open existing project. You can create new projects and can start coding C or C++ right now. So this is how you can do this easily. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe the channel to never miss any updates. Also share the video to others so they can take benefit of it. Take care, until we meet with the new video.